My favorite part of MVNU's nursing program, I think, is the family aspect. We spend so much time together that we really do form a family. The nursing program at MVNU is really special. You get to start as soon as sophomore year to get hands-on clinical experience. At other places, you may not even get in the program until your junior, maybe even senior year, depending on the competition. But MVNU starts you out sophomore year and you get really good one-on-one instruction because of the small class sizes. The most beneficial part about our nursing program is definitely the professors. They do their job obviously really well, but they really do go an extra step. They go above and beyond to really get to know every student. I know that if I contacted any of them wanting to talk, they would spend at least an hour with me. Even the dean of nursing has taken time with me when I was just anxious about life and where I was headed. And she took the time to sit down with me and talk about my future and talk about the possibilities and ease my mind and my anxiety. And I think that I'm gonna carry that into any job I go into, no matter where I go, is that work ethic, that extra step that you don't have to take, but it really does make a world of difference when you do. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you'd like to hear more about MVNU, click on the links below.